from the social sector. Today, we all are discussing that the institutions focused for solving some societal issues. It can be CAMEA, it can be the society which is addressing the issues of malnutrition, the child care, or poverty alleviation. Many societies are there, or women issues. Many societies are there, those who are working on different social issues. If those societies will be working well, very effectively, I think each one of you will be getting the life problems for doing your projects, life problems for starting your own enterprises. If you keenly observe and really try to connect to those issues very keenly, you make the plan, then I can say that you can give a solution for that. And that solution itself will be the model to follow or to be followed throughout your life. That can be also. That's the basic purpose of establishing different societies in any university, to bring the communities, to bring the people, to bring the social issues, to bring the challenges closest to the academic platform, where many youth, number of youth put their heart and soul and brain into that. So that's the basic objective of any society. And today, while we are inducting the new students, new entrants into the society, I think each one of you should understand the importance of the society you are joining. What really the basic objective of that society, whether it aligns to the passion of your life, whether you are very much passionate for that cause, whether you want to pursue that cause throughout your lives, or you want to develop some models, some solutions which really you have thought of, you have conceptualized, and you need a platform to experiment that, and you want to explore with your ideas. You want to explore your ideas in that direction, and whether you will be using that platform in that way. So that's the basic purpose of this induction. And I hope that each one of you, those who have joined in any society, please discuss regularly with your peers. Yes, faculty advisors are there, you discuss with the faculty advisor, but discuss with the peers up to which level they have brought that society, what type of challenges, what type of problems they have solved through that society by putting their efforts, by putting their time. Whenever you all are putting your time and effort, something visible, something which will add values to your lives, that should come. None of us should waste our time and effort anywhere which does not add values to us. So that should be the basis. That should be the focus of each one of you. Either that should be adding values to yourself, that should be adding values to the lives of others. Somewhere some value addition, value creation should happen. You should ensure that, being a very responsible students of this institution, which is the institution of eminence. We say that we have started our journey with the excellence and reached at the level of eminence. So in any eminence institution, while you all are studying, you all are contributing, you all are engaging yourself, you are connecting yourself with the excellency of each and every level. And with that excellency, I think if your thoughts are being aligned, if so many minds are working together, for solving any issues, I think everybody, each one of you is having that potential to come up with a solution, to come up with new ideas, what the world is looking for. And never think that your idea is a very small idea. It's very negligible. It's common with everybody. Yes, ideas are common with everybody. But when the ideas are conceptualized and executed, each one of us execute the things in a different way. The people, you see that a similar type of industries, similar type of organizations are established in a common period of, maybe sometimes we find it 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years. But some of the institutions, they excel. It's because those institutions, they are established with a vision. The people engaged with this, they are passionately connected with that vision, and they execute that vision with different rigor as others don't do that. They perceive their dream continuously, what others live in between. So that's the difference. Whenever you are thinking your idea is very common, similar to everybody, yes, everybody is having the brain, and we all are going through the same phase, same time, same environment, same problems, same media, same information we all are coming across. Maybe same type of issues may be coming in our mind. But think that how you will be solving this problem, in a different way, and you can give a solution to the world. And sometimes you may not get the visibility, but other time it will be. One book is being released at this point of time. I hope your clear ideas have been conceptualized through that books. Whenever you are writing something, please focus on the message you're trying to transmit through this. As you do in the examination, whatever question is asked, what type of answer is expected from there. So in that way, whatever you are doing, what message really you want to communicate to the world through that? How you will become connecting yourself through that message to your peers, with your teachers, with the people in and around you. Please put your focus on that itself. I think it will make you a different person altogether. So congratulations to each one of you, those who are joining in different student society, because many students come to the university, they study, but very few students, those who are different, those who are having lots of confidence on their thoughts, and they're having the capabilities to convert that thoughts into the actions. They are confident that through their actions, they can conquer over the world, they can conquer over the hearts. The people, those who will be seeing them, people, those who will be working with them, people, those who will be engaging with them, they can conquer their hearts. That confidence those people are having, those who connect through different societies, different activities, the dramas, and different events. So I congratulate each one of you to different student societies. I hope the faculty coordinators, and particularly your seniors, get connected to your seniors and get the clues from them. What really you should do. And if you are having something new in your mind, and you are very much determined to leave your footprint through that society, you need some type of support for that, please come and discuss with Dr. Behura and bring it to the table of the leadership of the university. I think there is no positive effort in this university goes waste. In KIIT, one thing I can ensure to each one of you, no positive effort of anyone, starting from the staff, faculties, leadership, even each one of the students, is ensure that no positive, sincere, hard effort is going on waste. And this university only banks up on the positive ideas of the students, faculties, and the staff and leadership in the university. And we all are looking towards your new ideas, your new concepts, new thoughts, what can give the solution to the problems in this globe. So once again, I welcome each one of you to this induction program and wish you all the best. I hope that at some point of time, normally the students, those who work in the different societies, organize different events, we get the chance to interact with them, and they become the very important part of the family members of university. And I hope that, and they leave some footprint in our mind. So I hope that we will be working together for next few years on different occasions. Once again, all the best. Thank you. Now I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor to deliver his address. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your welcoming as well as encouraging words. Moving ahead, now I would like to invite the Honorable Vice Chancellor of KIIT deemed to be University, Professor Hrishikesh Mohante, sir. Sir has always been a guiding path for all the students. His outstanding experience as well as expertise in academics and the research field. It would be very motivating to hear from you, sir.
Thank you, Ritik. Good evening to all of you. We have among us our honorable founder,
Recording in progress.
Also, you have been welcomed by Registrar Mr. Mohanty. We have with us our Deputy Director of Students Center, Activity Center, Professor Behura, and all the faculty members, executives, and dear students. This is today is a very special day for the newcomers for this induction program to the different societies. You have already been inducted to the curriculums. And now this is extracurricular activities. And you know that why these extracurricular activities is required. In the curriculum, when you search yourself deeply, and extracurricular activities, you search horizontally that what is your spread about. When you turn as a hardcore professional, you are also required to see that what is the subtle part of one has being a professional. And that exploring self is also the responsibility of this university. And KIIT University considers the students as the star. The star of the university are the students, and that's why today you have you'll be knowing about the K-Star program. And this K-Star program is to explore that what the inherent energy you have, for which you are just twinkling, but K-Star will see that you are the bright star on the sky of KIIT University. I think I particularly would like to thank the outgoing coordinators of different societies, those who have done a very difficult job in this pandemic, but kept alive the KSAK as usual. And also, not only in the university, but also in the map of international scenario, the KSAK has shown its visibility participating in different activities. Already, Dr. Sasrita Samant, our Professor Madam, has given you the tip that how you inherit the clue, all the expertise what the seniors have, so that you can run your societies to its excellence. And that the KSAK itself has got a lot of experience in nurturing the, and that the KSAK itself has got a lot of experience in nurturing the talents. And you will certainly, you will evaluate, and you are lucky to have that kind of experience with all the leadership we have here, and the executives, the teachers, the faculty coordinators, and everybody is there to nurture your passion. And the test of campus is the KSAK itself. KSAK Students Activity Center shows that how vibrant the campus is. I think we will look forward to see your footsteps again humming around the university very soon. And let us pray that this pandemic is over as early as possible, so that it becomes again, the campus becomes lively with all the activities of the Students Activity Center. You have seen the clips, the video clips, that how energetic it is. You must have seen it, and that must have the adrenaline must have rushed into your veins, so that you will be back here soon and you will participate in that activities. So I welcome you again to this the different societies, and I'm sure the youth, the energy you have, and the experience the KSAK and the whole leadership has, and you have the patronage, and you have the guidance, patronage of our honorable founder, and that will take you it will help you to suddenly to explore that what are the different skills you have other than the regular studies. And now the current time, you know that you need to be an integrated person, not only the excellence in your education, in your program, what you are studying, but the current national education policy of the country, and also the world itself looks at that, how integrated you are in the different dimensions of life. And that is what Madam was telling, is that how you look at the societies, you observe the society, you learn that what is the want of society, and that way you program yourself. And this is an ecosystem what Student Activity Center provides, that you will experiment yourself, and you will groom yourself to blossom in future. Wherever you go in the industry, you will remain a socially adorable person, and this KSAC will give you that opportunity. And I again welcome all of you, and I wish you that you become the stars of the university in finding the excellence in your program, in your education, as well as in your extracurricular activities, exploring yourself horizontally. Welcome you again, and welcome. We wish you all the best and good times and good health. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words to motivate us. While welcoming our honorable founder, sir, of KIIT and KISS, Professor Dr. Achyutanand Samant, sir, I would now like to move forward for the release of the Coffee Table e-book of KSAC, which is a yearly release that highlights the different societies in KSAC and the major events undertaken at the Activity Center. It's been designed by Abhishek Dey. Heading forward, a man with a vision, different from all, a man who believes in compassion, humanity, and his hard work since the very initial stage of his life. He once saw a dream of quality education for all and dedicated himself wholly in order to fulfill that. He is the motivation as well as the brain behind this esteemed KIIT deemed to be university, which is touching skies and has gained an esteemed reputation all around the globe, all with his hard work and expertise. I have the honor to request Professor Dr. Achyutanand Samant, sir, the honorable founder of KIIT and KISS, to kindly enlighten us all. So please.
So good evening, my lovable Kittians. We all are so happy to see you all after a long gap, even if it is virtual mode. I hope all of my lovable Kittians, those who are present here, more than 1,000. My God, if it would have been actual, I hope my lovable Kittians would not have attended with so many numbers. So as it is virtual, we are happy that more than 1,000 lovable Kittians are present in virtual mode for this very good occasion, the society induction of this KIT universities under this KSAC. So my lovable Kittians, I hope all of you must be fine. So also your parents, even lovable Kittians, those who are not present here, I hope all of them must be happy and must be doing well. On this very auspicious evening and on the occasion of the Student Society Induction Program for 2021, you have already heard a lot. You have already heard a lot from our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Hrishikesh Mahanti, and also Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Sasmita Samant. You have already heard from our Registrar, Professor Gyanaranjan Mahanti, and also you are going to listen to your all-time speaker, that is Dr. Shamsundar Beura. And I am very happy to be with you all for this program. And I hope definitely you must be enjoying your online class very nicely going on for the last 18-19 months. And I am happy that the attendance in the online class is very good. whether the attendance is really good or not, but our record shows attendance of the students for online class is very good. So thank you very much for attending your classes, etc. regularly. We all know and aware of the things that because of this pandemic corona, our hands are tied. Even if we are missing you and we are very much interested to see you in the campus, but still we are not able to ask you to the campus. But very soon I am hopeful that you will be coming to the campus just after your semester exam, and provided there should not be again any increase of this COVID or corona pandemic, etc. in the month of December. Anyhow, you have to adjust the things, and I am happy that all these things are going on very nicely in online mode with the help of our entire staff fraternity, and particularly you people. You guys are helping us to do everything online mode. And another one thing I am very much happy, for which I am very much concerned since the inception of KIT, that is the campus placement to our lovable Kitians. And I'm happy not only 21, but 22 pass out students. Already 3,000 students have got the single offer, and another 500 students have got the double offer. So till date in technology, 3,000 students have been placed, out of which 1,500 approximately in the day 0 and another 1,500 in the day 1. And salary range in the day 0 is the 7 lakhs and it goes up to the 40 lakhs. We are very much happy that our lovable Kitians, even if this pandemic or situation, they are getting placed. That means you are working hard. Unless until you are working hard, you may not be selected by these all corporates. So thank you very much. Congratulations to all those already selected. God bless you. I hope your parents must be happy. And at the same time, I am overconfident. The rest of the students are going to be placed soon, because this placement will continue up to the May 2022. So definitely the rest of the students from the technology will be placed soon. Law placement generally takes place very late. And I'm happy that the campus placement in case of school of management is also going very nicely. And definitely, like every year, this year also, school of management campus placement will be very fantastic. So I am happy that besides class, online examination, online convocation, and online many other things, and campus placement is also going on very nicely. And similarly, I heartily express my all good wishes and thanks to all of you, particularly, and also Dr. Shamsundar Beura, who has been doing so much programs under the Student Activity Center. Every day I can say there are many programs and going on online. So many programs. So thanks to my lovable Kitians for promoting all types of extracurricular activities, even in this pandemic situation. You must be enjoying this. I am very much confident, but you are all promoting, by which our KSAT, which is very good and very promising, very good visibility, is doing well in spite of this pandemic corona going on. Because you all lovable Kitians are aware of, KIT is also very famous for extracurricular activities, and which is the prominent or which is the requirement of the present age. Nowadays, extracurricular activities is more important than the curricular activities. And you must be knowing, many hundred students after getting certificate with very good CGPA from BTech, MBA or MCA or law, they are engaging in different activities, leaving the job because of their extracurricular activities, what they are learning during their stay in KIT universities, which is the alma mater for all of you for all times to come. So KIT extracurricular activities is very good, and we are very much happy that it is going on very nicely in spite of COVID-19. And thanks to Dr. Samsundar Beura and his entire team, supported by Pro VC, VC, Register, everybody, he is doing very marvelous job. And he is engaging all of you very nicely. And students' attendance in each and every extracurricular activity is also very good. I have been informed time to time. So today, definitely there is a very good occasion. That is the Student Society Induction Program. You have been selected and elected by your friends to be the head of any one society. So definitely you will be enjoying it. And I hope many more things will be coming under this case act. Many good things will also be coming under case act. And very soon you will be in the campus actually, and we all will enjoy your all the programs you have been doing for the last 18, 19 months through online year. So lastly, I extend my good wishes and congratulations to all those office bearer of the different society under this case act. And now this induction program is happening. So thank you very much, and try to explore the inherent quality within you during this period you are reading in KIT University under the case act or through extracurricular activity. I hope you must be doing well, and convey my best regards to your parents. And very soon our office of the Pro VC is going to issue the letters for mentioning the time and date and month when you are coming to the campus. So definitely it is going to happen after the semester examination, and just after the Christmas holidays, etc. You are coming to the campus. Of course, provided there should not be more corona in the country or in the state of Odisha. And I hope again you must be keeping information about this COVID-19. You will feel sad. Till date, corona has not come down to zero in the state of Odisha, particularly Bhubaneswar. Before 15 days, it was 600 per day and 250 per day in Bhubaneswar itself. And 250 per day, Bhubaneswar itself is a very big number in comparison to population of Bhubaneswar. Now it has come down to 100 in the last 2-3 days. That's why we are all in a very scary, but we are very much interested to bring you to the campus. Very soon you are coming to the campus. Thank you very much. God bless you, all my lovable Kitians.
Thank you so very much, sir, for your exhilarating words of encouragement. Moving forward, now it's the time for the release of the Coffee Table e-book of KSAC, which is a yearly release that highlights the different societies in KSAC and the major events undertaken at the Activity Center. It's been designed by Abhishek Dey. I request founder sir to kindly release the Coffee Table e-book. Thank you, sir. Next up, we have the release of Kritika 2021, the annual University Student Magazine, which intends to bring students' best work coming from the best of their abilities, including featured articles of reputed authors and alumni. We also have the release of Kirti 2021, the annual University Women's Magazine, and this edition has some incredible contributions from students, awesome work done by the editorial team of both the magazines. I request founder sir to kindly release the two magazines. Thank you, sir. Moving ahead, we have Compendium. It's the first of its kind being released, which is the yearbook of KSAC and contains a compilation of all the events, festivals, outreach activities, and achievements in the academic session 2020-21. It is designed by Abhishek Dey and his team. I request all the dignitaries to kindly release the yearbook.
Samsundar Beura dhara. Gana. Thank you.
Now we can all access the magazine, yearbook, and the coffee table book in the eZone section of KSAC website. Moving on to the special launch of a very special event for the very special first years, it's time for the launch of the second edition of K-Star, the Champions Pride, which has been designed by KSAC exclusively for the first years. Let's have the teaser before the unveiling by the founder, sir. That seems very interesting. Now I request founder sir to kindly launch the second edition of K-Star. Thank you so much, sir. And at last but not least, we have the launch of campaign, the KSAC Students app, which is a great initiative by KSAC to provide one-stop platform for students to get the latest updates, registration links, and details about student events. Today, we are happy to have founder sir to launch this app with built-in several salient features to never miss out on an event update. This has been built by KIITians Sambit Saha, Aman Aryan, Satvik Rishi, and Udit Utsav under the mentorship of Anirudh Roy from KSAC. Thank you so much, sir. Moving ahead, KIIT Student Activity Center, KSAC, is the hub for all its 28 societies and has been a path maker for all the societies as well as its members. More importantly, it appoints student coordinators as well as assistant coordinators in every society to ensure its smooth conduct, while the coordinators and assistant coordinators play an important role in every society's smooth run. KIIT Student Activity Center, KSAC, acts as the backbone of each one of them. So without making any further delay, can we have the video of this year's appointed student coordinators of all the societies as well as the school representatives under KSAC? all the student coordinators, assistant coordinators, and school representatives under KIIT Student Activity Center for you. It was definitely fascinating to see them reach the positions that they are in, and we wish them all the very success. Moving forward, now is the time to hear it from the man who is the brain and backbone of the KIT.
Uh, Very good evening to one and all. Honorable Founder Sir, Vice Chancellor Sir, Pro VC Madam, Registrar Sir, all the esteemed faculties, students, all the senior members of this university. So it's a warm welcome, and it was one awesome evening today. And for me, giving the vote of thanks would always start with our honorable founder, sir, because he's not only the architect of this university, but he is actually the architect of Student Activity Center, or KSAC, which he had said. So I think it is his passion which is genetically transferred to the students of the Kittians, and I think that helps them or gives the push to significantly contribute in every effort they take. So I would like to, it's heartfelt thanks to our founder, sir, for joining us today and blessing us on this special occasion. An academician, and he's the lighthouse of this place of learning, and we know Professor Rishikesh Mohanty, sir, Vice Chancellor, KDMT University. So thank you for all the support and guidance KSAC needs. I sincerely thank the woman of virtue and this navigator of this flagship of knowledge, Professor Sasmita Samantha ma'am, Pro Vice Chancellor, KDMT University, for her all-time guidance and motivation. She has always stood as a pillar for whatever ventures we undertake. Thank you so much, ma'am. Professor Gyanaranjan Mohanty, a fascinating individual, a man of distinction. Sir, thank you so much for being, a strong pillar and a strong backbone for all the events we do today. And you have, supported us in every ventures we have undertaken at Activity Center. I, on behalf of the entire fraternity, congratulate all the newcomers, the student coordinators, assistant coordinators, and the school representatives, and all the members also, the old and the new members who have been recruited now to KSAC. You have already started well with your activities, and I think we could always go ahead. And as Founder Sir said, what happened during this pandemic, and you are the guys which make the river flow, because we even didn't know how we should go ahead. And it was you who guys came up with solutions, and I think we have done wonderfully well. And all thanks and all credits to all of you. A big thank you to all the faculty coordinators of the societies for mentoring so well, and every year taking them to the next new height. I thank Abhishek Dev for the beautiful designing of the coffee table book, his team for coming up with compendium. I think this time we did it. It is like towering memories, we thought could give us a good push in showcasing what we do at Activity Center. To the entire editorial team, both faculty and students of Kritika and Kirti for coming up with such an awesome edition. Thanks Aryan, Sambit, Satwik, Udit for coming up with this app. Thanks, special thanks to Anirudh from my team for mentoring the app as well as mentoring the K-Star event. Thank you, Anirudh. A very big thank you to Avantika Madam. Roshan is not there, unfortunately, lost his grandmother yesterday, so he had to leave. Mrityunjay Abu, Jayalakshmi, and Sonali for being a great team to push. I think they are all your staff in charge also of respective societies, and you guys sync well and do so well. And thanks all of you, all my team for getting KSAC running so smoothly. And last but not the least, Ritik, thank you for being a wonderful host. And I think I thank all the ICT team members, even Sachikant, for helping us out, make this website so good. He spends time with us, and we could nicely have done our website. You guys could always visit there. We have the student blogs running. You have the e-zone where you can access many things, and all the events we are making it to the website. So it's all thank you to all of you, and thank you all for joining us today. And again, congratulations to all the newcomers. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words. And with this, we have come to the end of the Society's Induction Program 2021-22. I hope you all had a great time, and I wish all the societies to nourish as they do in this academic year under the new coordinating board. With this, I, Ritik Jha, signing off with the hope to see you all very soon in campus. Thank you, everyone, for joining. soon in campus. Thank you everyone for joining.